I'm gonna take you with me to Mill Creek Nature Park. Come join me. This is our first time to go to Mill Creek Nature Park, even if it's just in Riverview, which is literally just right across Moncton. And just like any other first-timer, we followed Google Maps. Google Maps has never failed us, until today. As of October 18, 2020, the access to the park via Runnymede Road is closed for some road construction. To those who want to visit the park, use Robertson Street instead, which is where we're heading now. The parking lot is here and we are here, so we're gonna be walking this red line here and going to the dam. Mill Creek Nature Park is a flourishing 500+ acre destination to enjoy nature, play, and sport while achieving a sustainable balance between conserving the natural ecosystem and fostering sound economic development. The park has been embraced by the residents as a place to relax, learn, and reconnect with our natural world. Oops, I gotta follow the stop sign. Be careful of them ATVs. It's almost sunset, and we don't want to be without sunlight in this humongous park, so we're heading back to the parking lot as hubby is also getting hangry. What better way to feed the hangry than to buy some delicious meal from our friend's food truck?
Their food truck's name is Authentic Asian Food, so they have combos and That's fried rice, mixed vegetables. See that? And noodle soup, fresh cooking.
So hubby ordered combo 3 and I ordered combo 1. Oh no, 2. So combo 2 and combo 3. And you can get these choices of the combos. Yeah. And on top of that, I also ordered siopao, pork asado. And I love siopao and these are my hubby's favorite too. So they're frozen and I can just pop them in the microwave and eat them whenever we want to eat them.
Siopao literally means hot bun. It is the Philippine cuisine indigenized version of the Cantonese steamed bun called cha xiao bao.
Salamat! Bye-bye!
Open at 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Wednesday to Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday gonna be open 4 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Yay! Salamat po. Sarap yung pagkain dito. Visit kayo. Thank you!
So this is combo 1, no, combo 2, that's mine, and this is for the hubby, combo 3. I also ordered the noodles with shrimp soup. Yeah, yum yum. That's it for today, my chums. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And of course, ring the bell notification button. See you next time!